Dear friends, the International Science Council has issued a strong condemnation on the Turkish military regime for having imposed a lot of restrictions on the scientific community, their freedom of thoughts and expressions. The point here is that the International Science Council stands for the freedom of speech and expression of the international community so as to express their innovative ideas to the international community and in that way helpful to the human race. Now, let us come to the state of affairs and the scientific temper and the spirit of inquiry and a lot of things in Indian scenario. Throughout the globe, on April 22nd, 2017, Global March for Science was organized so as to improve the conditions of a scientific outlook throughout the world except India. In order to show a solidarity to the Global March for Science, Breakthrough Science Society that promotes scientific thought in India had organized a rally in Kolkata on August 9th, 2017, consisting of more than 15,000 scientists, researchers throughout the entirety of the country, and they have made a petition to the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi ji, that alleging that in the recent past, some unscientific issues being in evidence are propagated as science, none other than patronage by the persons in the highest echelons of the Indian top bureaucrats. The utterances of some of the ministers and none other than the Prime Minister of India on certain issues have been given herein, and it is for the viewers to come to their logical conclusions and arrive whether the statements uttered by the state ministers and the Prime Minister of country are according to the international standards on science and technology and scientific outlook, and it is for them to decide whether these imply with the orders of the international scientific society. Till this date, the petition that has been sent by the 15,000 scientists who have conducted a rally in Kolkata and addressed to the Prime Minister of India for giving their thoughts on this unscientific attitude of the regime in India, till this date it was not answered. This is the message of this video. Thank you so much.